Hey, what's up guys, it's BarbaraBeauté and I'm back on your screen with another video, and in today's video I am testing out, reviewing the new, I don't know if it's new to me. I haven't even opened it. Here it is. Here it is. So let's get right into it. The other one, I already got my hands dirty. It's the exact same size on the other one. I'm pretty sure it's the exact same message on the top, but here it is. Very pretty. It's giving me a lot more summer than the last one, which I love because who wants to buy the same palette twice? So I do have the other one here for comparison. It looks like a lot more similar than I thought it would. These are warmer tones though. Like these are warmer tones and these are like more summery tones, so it's like right on time. Oh, I like the fact that the shades are named in this. That's good, because the ones in here are not named at all. The only thing I'm picking up on that might look similar are some of the brown orangey tones. Yeah, they seem to be different, so see for yourself. You can look at some of the brown shades. They look similar. They're not exactly the same, but they look similar. And I like the fact that they both have black. And what really led me to buy this palette was this yellow. The yellow is called No Joke. I'm excited about it. It looks like more all-inclusive. You can get a neutral look out of this, or you can go a whole glam, crazy, bright. Let's try it, because I can't wait to try it. But yeah, let's get right into it. I already got the palette dirty, but I want to play with the yellow and the purples. I thought there was blue in here for whatever reason, but there isn't. I'm gonna use the base I always use. Real Techniques film brush. Okay guys, so I'm taking No Joke, which is like a mustardy yellow color. Very, very pretty. I've been needing that in my life. This palette needs a mirror. Like, I don't know who she trying to show off to, but it needs a mirror. And I'm using a Crown Deluxe Blending Crease Brush. I want to try a different method. Oh, this looks a lot lighter in the pan than what it is on. So I hope it's not, you see, it's a lot lighter on than it is in the pan. I hope that when it blends out, it does not disappear. But let's see, let's not get too hasty here. Let's not get too hasty. Just patting it in, and then I'm gonna blend it out, because that's what the girls are doing these days. And I want to be like them. I'm gonna gently blend. Okay. It's bright, I'll give it that, but it's not the mustard that I anticipated. As I'm blending, it's kind of turning into that more mustard shade, so I'm gonna use this one, the pinky, I don't know how you call it. It's like pink mixed with peach almost. I'm using a Bdellium Tools 776. Ooh, that is pigmented on the brush, that is. I'm gonna put that up there. Oh, ew. Now this is pigmented as heck. I just hope that blends out. That is very strong. I'm like carefully blending the edges, not too much. Color, extremely pretty, extremely pigmented. There's a lot of kickback, which means when you tap into the shadow, a lot of shadow comes off, not on my face at all, but on the in the palette. So that's what that is. So yeah, there's a lot of that, but there's no fallout on my face. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush. It's like an eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna take the purple. Let's see what that does. And I'm gonna put that right under. Oh, that is nice. And that's gonna be like my crease shade. I'm looking like the freaking Mardi Gras. I'm gonna go right in with the eggplant color called Crazy and put that in my crease area. It's like a true burgundy eggplant color. It's more burgundy than like eggplant, but I don't know why it's skipping right here. Yeah, I've been struggling to blend this purple. As you can see, it could be so great, but it's just not blending. And it's like sticking to my base. It's probably me. Probably me. Like the edge of this will not blend. It won't. Okay, it's decent. Let's see what happens if I add black. This could be a disaster. Hey, Temptress. Isn't Temptress? I think Temptress is in another one. Well, it's black, so. What I'm getting from this is that these colors are not layering properly for me. For me. Spotchy. I think I may take just like a light purple and just put that on my lid and call it a day. Won't even cut the crease because I don't really. Let's go with this one. I wish it was lighter, but to get the payoff. Oh, that's nice. This reminds me of the Juvia's Place. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Those are really nice colors. Not having nails right now is great. That's really nice. Now we're gonna go on the other side of the brush and take a really light color. Probably this, I'm in it because I see some reflex of purple. I'm very curious. So, ooh, I'm dirtying it. Just in the center, see what that looks like. It's a very buttery color. Yeah, it definitely gives it like dimension. It's very like a sparkly color. It's I'm gonna blend the edges of this purple out with y'all already know the drill. Y'all gonna hear background noise. Y'all know the drill. Try my best, but what can you do? What can you do? Okay, so what's going on is I don't even have to pull you in closer. You can see the patchiness. I'm just trying to put that black down and blend it in, and it just refuses to stay. Like if you put one color down, like another color removes itself. It's so weird. I didn't expect them to change the formula, so like that's why I'm confused. Like the other side looks decent after I spent a long time blending it, so I'm gonna try my best and hopefully I can get it to look decent. Just for my under eye, I just used the color Dance Party. It's like a fuchsia color. I took it pretty far down. At this point, I'm over it, so I'm just like being sloppy, but I'm gonna take my e.l.f. liner. I just did like a wing following the shape of the line I made with the concealer. I'm using this glue kiss adhesive, and I don't know what lash this is. I don't, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what lash it is. I really don't. Alright, I'm gonna do my mascara and lip off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, so here's my final look. I finessed it. I definitely finessed it like 2 hours later. I honestly don't like giving bad reviews and stuff, but the truth is the eyeshadows were not blending for me. When I would put down the light shades and then I would put a dark shade on top of it, it would like get extremely patchy. And I think it's really the mattes, because whenever you layer them, they just don't work. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's because the pigment is like, they're so bright. I don't know. I'm open to trying it again. I definitely will try it again because I really love the first one. So I'm gonna try it again like with another base and just like see what happens, because y'all saw I took it off. Well, I told you that I took it off one eye and I redid it and it still came out patchy. It would not blend. It would not blend. So yeah, that's the review. A little disappointed because I love these palettes. Like y'all saw I have every single one. So yeah, at least the look is cute, right? I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought about this palette if you do have it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.